How do Alpine and Distroless make smaller Docker images? Imagine shrinking a bulky suitcase into a tiny, lightweight bag that still holds everything you need. That's what Alpine and Distroless do for Docker images. They trim down the size so your applications can run faster and more securely. Alpine uses a tiny Linux distribution designed just for containers. Instead of including a full operating system, it only has the essential packages and libraries needed to run your app. This means Alpine-based images can be 90 to 95% smaller than images based on full Linux distributions like Debian or Ubuntu. For example, a typical Ubuntu image might be hundreds of megabytes, but an Alpine image can be just tens of megabytes. This makes pulling, building, and starting containers much quicker. Plus, smaller images use less storage space and bandwidth, which saves money and speeds up deployment. Distroless images go even further by removing the operating system shell and package manager entirely. They contain only the application and its direct runtime dependencies. No extra utilities or tools are included, which reduces the attack surface and makes the image more secure. Because they don't have a shell, debugging can be trickier, but the trade-off is a very compact and safe image. These are perfect for production environments where the application is already built and doesn't need to install new packages or access a shell. Both Alpine and Distroless benefit from a technique called Docker multi-stage builds. This process uses a full-featured image during the build phase to compile or prepare the application. Then, only the final artifacts are copied into the smaller Alpine or Distroless image. This way, the final container contains just what it needs to run, without source code, build tools, or unnecessary dependencies. Using these minimal images in backend development means your APIs, databases, and server-side logic run in leaner containers. This results in faster deployment times, lower storage costs, and easier scalability. Smaller images also mean fewer security risks because there's less software that could be exploited. Overall, Alpine and Distroless help make your containers faster, safer, and more efficient for deployment and orchestration.